Keep your home safe and secure even when you're away with the NuTone Knock Video Doorbell. NuTone Knock lets you see and speak to anyone at your door using your smartphone or tablet, no matter where you are in the world. The NuTone Knock is tough enough to withstand extreme weather conditions, including temperatures from -22 degrees to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. The sturdy housing is IP65 rated to protect against water, debris, and dust, so it keeps working whether you live in the icy upper Midwest or the hot Southwest desert. Because it's motion activated, NuTone Knock alerts you when someone's at your door, whether they ring the bell or not. You can adjust the motion detection zone to avoid false alarms from a busy street or sidewalk. Using the free NuTone Knock app, the doorbell sends alerts directly to your phone or tablet. Never miss another delivery. Use your phone to tell the delivery driver to leave the package at the door. Knock is easy to install. It connects to your existing doorbell wiring and your Wi-Fi network. Feedback from the doorbell guides you through the installation process, and the sleek design looks great on any home. NuTone Knock's HD camera includes night vision, so you can get crystal clear images of who's at your door even in low light. And the NuTone Knock's 180-degree lens provides a full view of your front step. The doorbell automatically takes a snapshot of your visitor when the button is pressed and sends the image to your phone. With the available cloud subscription, it also automatically records video as soon as the doorbell detects motion. Always know who's at your door with the NuTone Knock Video Doorbell.